If you're watching this video, you're likely trying to make the best decision about your education, tuition, and training options. Rest assured, you're in good hands. Empire memberships offer the most cost-effective, time-saving, and comprehensive path to achieving your goals. For over 25 years, Empire Medical Training's memberships have been highly praised and valued for their comprehensive benefits, extensive features, and diverse range of topics. Empire offers 3 professional membership plans. Premier membership includes over 9 workshops in aesthetics, anti-aging, and regenerative medicine. Platinum membership includes over 18 workshops in aesthetics, anti-aging, and regenerative medicine. Diamond membership includes over 28 workshops in aesthetic medicine, anti-aging and regenerative medicine, and pain management. With any membership plan, you won't pay for individual courses. Empire memberships come with a 1-year term, but for a limited time, if you get the Platinum or Diamond memberships, you get an extra year free. That's 2 years of unlimited learning, growth, and networking. You can attend workshops in 50 states close to home for the ultimate convenience. Memberships include up to 28 courses you can take at any time, hands-on, live patient training to enhance your practical skills, online didactic education for convenience and cost savings, comprehensive, full-color manuals, essential medical supplies, medications like botulinum toxins and fillers for real-world injection practice, certifications and CME credits to demonstrate your expertise to patients, exclusive discounts on vendor products and services, saving you thousands a year, a professional admissions advisor for personalized guidance and support, additional free products, benefits, and resources just for being part of our community. As a member, you can even receive elective treatments during your training to better understand the patient experience and enhance your patient care. The professional membership you choose depends on the topics you're interested in. Beyond the courses, you'll join a network of over 175,000 industry professionals, including physicians, vendors, and manufacturers. This network makes it easier for you to build lasting relationships and expand your career opportunities. This is the only membership program in our industry that offers such an extensive range of benefits, resources, and support. From hands-on training and comprehensive materials to exclusive discounts and a professional admissions advisor, no other program provides as much value and opportunity for professional growth. To learn more about Empire memberships, visit empiremedicaltraining.com or call a professional admissions advisor at 844-565-3131.